Hello and welcome to my channel Developer Minded SEO. Today in this video I'm going to discuss with you about most underestimated topic, keyword cannibalization. Recently, I have worked on one of my client website and I understand that website is affected due to keyword cannibalization issue, and at the time the website, two pages of the website ranked for the same keyword in the second page of the Google SERP. So after fixing the issue, I can see the drastic change in the SERP. So the most relevant page is now appearing on the first page of in the Google SERP. So if you fix the issue, you can see a big changes on the SERP. So today's in this video, I'm going to show you what are the solutions you can do to fix the keyword cannibalization issue on your website, and how to identify the keyword cannibalization issue on your website without using any SEO tools. So without wasting the time, let's get into the video. Before that, I want to let you know one thing. If you are new to my channel, I am Ish, search engine marketer, and you want more videos about technical SEO, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Then let's get into the video. I would like to start from the basic concept. What does keyword cannibalization mean? That is, if you have two or more pages on your website that is ranking for same keywords, that is, you have optimized two or more pages on your website for the same similar keywords. So as a result of it, you may see both the pages appearing on search results. So you may ask me, I'm getting two places in organic search results, then why I need to bother? You should bother because whenever you're ranking, you are having keyword cannibalization issue, you are splitting the conversion click-through rate. Your click-through rates are got splitted, and your links got splitted, and your conversions got splitted. So your page is competing with itself. So it tells the Google that your content is thin, and the search engines find hard to rank your content. Which this page is ranking for the keyword, or some other pages is ranking for the same keyword. As a result, it is competing with each other. So sometimes it might devalue the more relevant pages. So if you consider the keyword cannibalization issue and you properly fix the issue, you actually see some boosting happen on your search result page. You can improve the ranking. So as a golden rule, keep remember every page should be optimized for single keyword. Why it is happening? Sometimes this might happen unintentionally. You unintentionally you optimize the pages for similar keywords. So as a result of this, you may get the issue keyword cannibalization. Why it does harm? As I said earlier, it dilutes the link value and anchor text. Your website is going to compete with yourself. So you want to compete with your competitor rather than itself. So, and also it is a it is it tells the Google that your content is thin. So instead of optimizing a pages for similar keywords, try to map the keywords for particular pages. For example, here the snowboard is a pillar content page. For this snowboard page, you are interlinking women's snowboards, kids snowboards, and discount snowboards. So likewise, you have to map your keyword and pages. You can also able to find the keyword cannibalization issue without using the SEO tool. You can use the search operator all in title, your keyword, and site colon and your domain name. For example, pet supplies in all in title and site colon petshop.com. By using this, you can find what are the similar title, what are the title using the same keyword under your website. So this method have one limitation because it going to show only the index pages on your website. Other than that, it is perfectly okay to find the keyword cannibalization issue by using these two search operators. The possible solution to fix the keyword cannibalization issue is, the first thing is, you can consolidate your content into a single page. So if you're having two pages, you can consolidate into one page and you can rank the page for the particular keyword. And the next thing is, you can remove the keywords. If the page is ranking for the keyword, then you can go on the title, description, and headers. You can remove the keyword in that pages. By this way, you can fix the cannibalization issue. And the next thing is, you can change the internal linking structure. So the one thing which worked for me was changing the internal linking. So I changed the internal linking of the website and I link all the relevant pages to one pillar pages I want to rank for. So I changed the anchor text and I interlink all the relevant pages to the content which I want to rank for. And the next thing is changing inbound links. If you're having more inbound links for the page which you don't need to rank for or less relevant pages, then it's the time to change the inbound links, or otherwise you have to build more inbound links to the relevant page which you need to rank for. And the last thing is, you can create another set of keywords and the content you want to rank for, and you can use 301 redirect to that pages. So in my cases, changing the internal linking worked for me. So each website has unique needs. On analyzing that, you can finalize which method you can work on to fix the keyword cannibalization issue. And that's it from today's video, and I hope you learn new things from this video. And if you find it useful, please support the channel, subscribe to the channel, and like the video. And if you have any questions, leave that in the comment section. I try to answer it. And do follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. See you on another useful video. Until then, this is Ish.